We have come up with new activity. It's a cotton reel threading activity. Okay, Anvik, are you ready? Now we are going to do activity. Okay, ready? Okay. Before that, show me red color. Very good. Yellow, blue, orange. Okay, well done. For that I have thread. Okay, Anvik, I'll show you one for you. Okay, Anvik, which one is your favorite color?
Red.
Okay, take the red color. Okay, then I'll show you one for you. Okay, first you have to put the inside thread, then take it out. Okay, now take yellow. Okay, you can use this side. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, now which color? Yes, very good. Now you can take blue. You can take blue color, then put inside. Put into the thread. Well done. Good job. Okay, Anvik, which one is first color, Anvik? Yellow or red?
Yellow.
So which one is this? Which color is this, Anvik?
Red.
Okay, then you can take red color first. Okay, then thread. Take it out. Take it out. Okay, now yellow color. Which color is this, Anvik?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, now put into the thread. So this is good for the child fine motor skills. You can do at your home. Okay, this is good for your child fine motor skills, hand and eye coordination, sorting and coloring, and finger grips. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
So Albin, let's start with the activity. Here I have with me a card which has a capital case letter and a lowercase letter, and also the words for the pictures. So we need to match this card with its picture. So let's ask Albin to read the word and the letter.
Identify the letter.
So let's ask Albin to identify the alphabet and the word. So Albin, can you tell me which alphabet is this?
F.
S. It's capital or small?
Capital.
And this one is?
Small.
Okay. Can you read this word?
F-O-C-K-S.
What's that?
Yes.
Socks.
Sock.
It's socks.
Sock.
So can you find socks from this? Okay. Just join this. Okay. Very good. And show it to the teacher. Okay, very good. Then, which is the next word? Can you tell me which letter is this?
J.
J. Okay, so can you read this word?
J-A-R.
What's that?
Lar.
Jar. Okay, good. So can you find a picture of jar? Yes, just join this. Very good. Okay, thank you. Then next we have which is this alphabet?
G.
G. Okay, let us read it.
G-A-T-E.
What's that?
J.
Gate.
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 Okay, where is gate? Where can you find the gate? Okay, very nice. How was the activity, Alvin? Did you like it? Yes, you liked it.
Okay, so for the smart boy, I have an activity here, a tough activity. So are you ready, Puna, to do this activity? Did you see anywhere this activity? This one, honeycomb. Did you see anywhere?
Oh, this.
Is a honeycomb activity. Okay, so let's do that, right? Ready?
Okay.
So first you have to do that. We can see honeybees here, leaves here, and first we have to rotate this. Okay, you have to hold here and rotate this. Okay, like this. Okay, your number is 1, my number is 4. Okay, so you have to rotate it in your side. Okay, if no honeybees came out through this hole, okay, if your honeybees came out, it will lose your point. Okay, so this is the hole. First we have to rotate this. Okay, in your side, if you are while rotating time, if you got the honeybees, you lose mark. Okay, okay, Puna, before rotating that, you have to remove one leaf from here. Okay, then only you can rotate. Okay, yes, do it. Okay, so careful, if the honeybees are down, okay, rotate, you can keep it. Yes, coming out now. So 1, 2, 3, 4 points. You lose your point. Okay, so it's my turn. Okay, so I'm going to remove. Oh, I got one only. Okay, I won. Okay, it's your turn now. First rotate, then remove. In your side you have to rotate. Okay. Okay, no bees, good job. So it's my turn now. Okay. Maybe it will all come out. Okay, no bees, good job. Oh, I got 3. 3 more I got. Okay. Okay, then it's your turn. Rotate it. Okay, yes, now you can remove the leaves. So that one you are removing. Okay.